here you can look this. This is an air pump and it's work with a magnet and electricity. So these things goes right this way. So air will pump from here. So it's making noise. Many people are having this issue. Did I connect this? Okay, there are two modes. This is mode less. So okay, this is homemade aquarium, and these are playing with these things. This is my filter and it's not working properly, so I'm gonna connect this with this filter. So let's see. Okay, so it is making noise. Unplugging, and you can see the rate of air coming from outside by this filter. It is of low quality, so I'm connecting these two with this, and so that the filter will get good. For this, I'm reducing the noise. Okay, and I have kept a soft. This is a piece of clothes, so I'm gonna run. It is making too much vibration and noise, so I'm gonna put these things right over here so that the vibration will be less. Okay, you can see that this part is filled with cloth and this part is gonna, so I'm taking a smooth clothes part, so I'm putting up the here. Okay, let's run it. Wow, you can look noise. The noise has been reduced totally. So as you can see this, the air filter is restored again. Here I'm making these things off and it's in the normal position. The air filter is not in good condition, but when you press this, the fishes are again playing and enjoying. Thanks for watching.